Hi, I'm Stephanie from StephanieKNaturals.com, and I'm going to show you how to make a homemade flower and fruit perfume. If you're wanting to use flowers that you have in your garden, you can make what is called a tincture, and that is what this is right here. By this, you take a very high proof alcohol like Everclear and put the flowers into the alcohol and let it sit, and once the alcohol absorbs the scent of it, then you change out, put new flowers in, and I would do this several times so that you get as much of the scent as possible into the alcohol. So you can use this. You can also use the essential oils that you purchase. So you get some flower essential oils like ylang ylang or jasmine, and take some essential oils of fruit. The fruits that give essential oils pretty much are all citrus. So they're mandarin, lime, orange, grapefruit, and all of these essential oils can be purchased online. And so with these, I would combine my choice of flowers, which make up the heart notes, and the fruit, which make up top notes of the perfume, and blend the two with a base note, such as maybe vanilla or one of the woods, and put these together in a carrier oil or a carrier of alcohol, and that is how you make a flower and fruit perfume.